Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to align table content in middle position or bottom position in website. So we are going to do this using custom CSS, and you can use that custom CSS in PHP, HTML or WordPress website. Now you see table content top position. So first we are going to align middle and then we are going to align bottom position table content. So this is our TD. Now go to custom CSS. So we added class table align in table, and then you see TD we are using, and we are using vertical align baseline. Now change it to middle and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see vertical align middle. Now make it bottom. Go to CSS. Now add bottom instead of middle and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page again and refresh the page. Now you see table content align bottom. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.